Hello, for today's video we have a Xbox One controller with a problem with the left stick. As you can see, it's drifting around 10%. So we're going to use a trick with a resistor. Also we have another problem. As you can see, the R button it's not clicking. Most of the times when you have a button that's not clicking, you need to drop a lot of APA inside the button and click it a lot of times to make the IPA go inside the gaps and clean the button. And don't forget, the IPH must be 99%. Okay, before we go for the drift problem, we need to test if the button is working now. As you can see, now the button is working perfectly. Okay, now let's move to the second problem with the left stick with a drift. I'm going to use 43 kilo ohms on the right side because I want it to go on the left. So if you want to go on the left, you need to put a resistor on the right. If you want to down around 6%, 0 to 6%, you need to add the 43 kilo ohms resistor. Okay, the final test is to check if the drift stick is fixed. As you can see, we have less than 6% drift now from the left, and it's fixed. Thank you for watching.